I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning.
I turn off my alarm clock. I turn off my alarm clock.
I make my bed after waking up. I make my bed after waking up.
I brush my teeth, then wash my face. I brush my teeth, then wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed for the day. I get dressed for the day. I prepare breakfast. I prepare breakfast. I eat breakfast with my family. I eat breakfast with my family. I drink a cup of coffee. I drink a cup of coffee. I check my phone messages. I check my phone messages. I leave the house for work. I leave the house for work.
I go to work by motorbike. I go to work by motorbike.
I arrive at work on time. I arrive at work on time. I start my work in the morning. I start my work in the morning. I check my emails. I check my emails. I attend meetings. I attend meetings. I take a short break. I take break. I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch at noon. I talk with my coworkers. I talk with my coworkers. I continue working in the afternoon. I continue working in the afternoon. I finish my work in the evening. I finish my work in the evening. I go back home after work. I go back home after work. I change into clean and comfortable clothes. I change into clean and comfortable clothes. I help my family with housework. I help my family with housework. I watch TV to relax. I watch TV to relax. I study English in the evening. I study English in the evening. I practice speaking English every day. I practice speaking English every day. I listen to music before sleeping. I listen to music before sleeping. I plan my tasks for tomorrow. I plan my tasks for tomorrow. I turn off the lights in my room. I turn off the lights in my room. I lie down on my bed and relax. I lie down on my bed and relax. I fall asleep and rest for a new day. I fall asleep and rest for a new day. Thanks you for watching! Don't forget to subscribe my channel!